Hello family, welcome to my channel. Thank you once again for clicking. So guys, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, you are very welcome. If you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for always being there for me. So guys, I'm showing you how I changed my bathroom tiles completely. So I posted my earlier how my bathroom was looking, and when I came back on holiday now, I didn't like the bathroom. So yeah, I was looking for a tiles that would match or fit the place, and it's been a while of looking. So yeah, it took me some time because it's been very hectic and busy for me, because I came to Ghana for so many things and I need to get all these things done before I leave. So finally I have some space to post again. I'm sorry if the videos are taking so long to post. Please forgive me. It's very busy for me. As time goes on, I will let you guys know why I'm taking so long to post videos, because I'm doing a lot of things in Ghana right now. I am busy with the house and also busy with my mom's house, because my mom is coming back very soon. So yeah, those are the main reason why I came. And yeah, I have to get every single thing done. So every day I'm on the run, so I could only get some small space to be able to upload videos, because normally when I come back I'm already very tired. So yeah, today I just feel like let me post some of the videos that I've made, because it's been a while since I post actual video of what I'm doing in Ghana. So guys, yes, I had a plan before coming that I want to change my bathroom, because the tiles on the ground was not looking so good for me. So yeah, of course my brother did the tiles before I came, and the color and everything what I wanted is a bit not what I wanted, because the color is a bit too bright, or it's too light for me for my bathroom. So yeah, I had a plan to change it, and the house is still in construction, so it's better to do it now before I bring all the interior decoration or interior stuffs that I have to bring in, like the beds and other stuffs that will be fitting into the house. So yes, for now, yes, this is how we started. We first started with the tiles. I let the guys came, and then we took the old tiles out and then put a new one. And also my bathroom, the sink and the seats, the toilet seats over there, I didn't like it, so I have to change it, as well as my children's room too. So yes, those are the things that I did. And yeah, stay tuned and let's go together to get my bathroom done, and what I have done and how it was looking. So yeah, the stress is real every single day, because the heat is a bit too much. But yeah, we move. And also I'm enjoying myself so much in Ghana. So every single day it's like enjoyment, and as well as doing my own things. So yeah, this is me coming to the shop to get the plumbing materials, like the pipes and the taps. Yes, so here I just took a short video of what I got for my bathroom. And yeah, so let's go fix them in the bathroom. So yeah, this is we after we get everything in the shop, and then later we got home, and then my brother did a job, because my plumber was not around, and my brother does this plumbing things very well. So yeah, we did it, and this is how it went. He started with fixing. So from the beginning we made a mistake where we put the small pipe that, or the small tap that you can take out. We made a mistake and we fixed it on the wall. But yeah, and at the end of the video we took it out, and then we found a way how to do it, and then it went very good. So yeah, this is me and my brother trying to fix my bathroom. So I got black tiles, or it's not so black, and it's also not too light. So it's very nice with the walls and also with the tap that I got. So I'm very, very happy and glad that I could turn my bathroom to what I wanted. So that's my brother Cyrus. That's everything for me. Thank you, Cyrus. If you see this video, thank you very much. I'm very grateful to have someone like you in my life, because without you, I don't know how I could manage it. So guys, yes, yeah, so this is Cyrus fixing the tap, and then also we got some mirrors and stuff. Those will be coming also in the video. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff and how we fixed it and everything. And yeah, just enjoy with me, and I see you in the next one. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel for more videos to come, because the more you subscribe, or if you watch my videos, you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe, I'll be posting more videos of what I have done so far in Ghana, because all this I am doing it all by myself. I didn't take anybody else to do it for me. So yeah, or maybe employ a company to do it for me. We are doing it completely by ourselves, because my brother is into building construction and also other stuff. So yes, I'm doing it together with him, or we are doing it together. So yes, all the videos and everything, when I post it, please like and share to make me post more about what I am doing in Ghana. And if you have any question, just leave your comments below, or what you want me to show you next time. Just leave your comments below. And this is the end of when we finish with the sink that we fixed, and also the toilet. So guys, yes, so now I want to introduce something to you guys. My brother Cyrus have an app, or it's a program that is meant for schools, that if you are in Ghana and you are schooling and your results and everything, teachers have to write it for you. It's a whole new game changer that is coming. I'll leave that at the end or the beginning of this video, and then you can see it for yourself, how the whole thing work and the explanation. Yeah, because I've seen that most of us, when we complete studies, or when we complete our education, so sometimes if you ask our parents where are our terminal report cards, or how our school results from when we started, so our high level, they don't know where they put them sometimes. So this is the best opportunity, and I'm going to leave that in my video, so you can check it out. And if you want to join as a parent, if you are in Ghana and your children are schooling in Ghana, please do enjoy this program, and you will not regret it. The schools also, please take advantage of this and get a better future for the children's education. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I got the things for my toilets. It's so beautiful. It's all so beautiful. All the accessories that we have. We have a lot of accessories inside. Let's show you.
Hello, my name is Sylvia. I am a teacher who is just tired of the extra calculations and paperwork for student assessments and records, until I found scorelaries.com,
a website that generates continuous assessment and end-of-term reports based on student assignments and tests. No need to look for lost paperwork. Scorelaries is the way to go. Scorelaries, revolutionizing education.